Elusion refers to the act of escaping, avoiding, or evading something, often in a skillful or cunning way. It can describe physical evasion, like a fugitive avoiding capture, or abstract avoidance, such as sidestepping a subjective question or legal loophole. Examples of how elusion can be used in sentences. His illusion of responsibility frustrated his colleagues. Despite her best efforts, the illusion of happiness remained a mystery. The company's illusion of taxes led to a major legal battle. In a here are some key areas where it is frequently appeared. In legal and business context, companies may engage in the elusion of taxes or regulations, often leading to legal consequences. In psychological and social context, people may practice elusion in conversations to avoid difficult topics or responsibility. In criminal and law enforcement context, a fugitive's elusion of capture can frustrate authorities. In competitive and strategic context, in business or sports, elusion can refer to skillfully avoiding competition or obstacles. In philosophical and literary context, writers may explore the illusion of truth or meaning in abstract discussions. Here are some related terms and their meaning for illusion. Evasion, the act of escaping or avoiding something. Escape, successfully getting away from danger or pursuit. Dodging, skillfully avoiding something, often quickly. Shunning, deliberately keeping away from something. Circumvention, finding a way around an obstacle or rule. Avoidance, steering clear of something undesirable. Sidestepping, evading an issue or responsibility. Obviation, preventing something from happening. Bypassing, skipping over or avoiding a situation.